Carlos goes to school. Written by Lorena F. Di Bello. I get my backpack. I get my pencils. I get my ruler. I get my eraser. I get my crayons. I get my sweater. I get my sister. I get my lunch. I get my hug. I get my ride.